What if I told you that in just 5 years, you could be financially free? No more living paycheck to paycheck, no more stressing about bills, and the ability to do what you love on your own terms. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, I'm revealing the secret 5-year plan that's helped thousands break free from the rat race and build real wealth. Stick around, because your future self will thank you. First, you need to define what financial freedom means to you. Is it quitting your 9-to-5? Traveling the world? Retiring early? Write down your exact number. How much passive income you need per month to live comfortably. Most people never get clear on this, so they wander aimlessly. But not you. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap. Year 1. Build the foundation. Pay off high-interest debt, credit cards, loans. Save 3-6 months of emergency funds. Start tracking every dollar. Budget like your freedom depends on it, because it does. Year 2. Double your income. Develop a high-income skill. Coding, sales, marketing, freelancing. Start a side hustle, YouTube, e-commerce, consulting. Invest in yourself. Books, courses, mentors. Year 3. Invest like the rich. Max out retirement accounts, 401k, Roth IRA. Begin investing in index funds and real estate, house hacking, REITs. Reinvest all side hustle profits. Year 4, scale and automate. Turn side hustles into passive income, digital products, rental income. Build multiple income streams, dividends, royalties, affiliate marketing. Outsource tasks to focus on high-value work. Year 5, achieve financial freedom. Your passive income now covers living expenses. You have the option to work because you want to, not because you have to. Celebrate, then set new goals. The biggest obstacle isn't money, it's your mindset. Most people self-sabotage because they don't believe it's possible. But here's the truth. If you follow this plan consistently, you will win. Delayed gratification beats impulsive spending. Learning beats laziness. Action beats excuses. Don't try to get rich quick. No gambling, meme stocks, or shady schemes. Don't neglect compound interest. Start investing now. Don't compare your journey to others. Stay focused on your plan. There you have it, the exact 5-year plan to financial freedom. Will it be easy? No. Will it be worth it? Absolutely. The best time to start was 5 years ago. The second best time? Today. Drop a comment below with your #1 financial goal. Let's hold each other accountable. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's make this your most profitable decade yet. See you in the next video.